Friends, this is Shoonya Dhama, Matt Dasapa's DDRRS Research Center. All in zero, all from zero, all to zero. Zero is the subject that cannot be grasped through five senses. Today I am going to talk about how the universe came into existence. We all know about the Big Bang. We say that Big Bang was the cause for all the existence of the planets and all the physical things. In the same way, even the deep thinker Dasapa says there was a big explosion in the space. Before the explosion, there was nothing. It was just space. It was an empty space. After the explosion, a sound occurred, and that sound is called as the aspirate. And this aspirate became crores and crores of musical sounds, and this is also called as the mediatory transformation. There is also another name for this, that is the fundamental ubiquity of nature. After this happened, the 7 consonantary balls were emerged. These are the most mighty consonantary balls which the deep thinker Dasapa has explained about. I'll talk about these consonantary balls in the upcoming video. Well, after the big sound which is called as the aspirate turned into crores and crores of musical sounds and the creation of the consonantary balls, innumerable planets were created. Among them, our solar system also is just one. Apart from our solar system, there are many innumerable planets and solar systems in between or within these consonantary balls. Well, after the creation of these planets, let us talk about the Earth and the Sun's family. Deep thinker Dasapa calls the Earth as a ball of water, and he calls the Sun as a ball of fire. We know the evolution of man. On this ball of water, or what we call as the Earth, the life began. It is well known to all of us that it started from the algae. Initially the algae, the jellyfish, and the fish, and other different animals, and monkeys or apes, whatever we say. And there, the advancement of these apes or these animals, human beings came into existence, we say. We have read this, we have come across about the evolution of man. But the deep thinker says about the mediatory transformation or the fundamental ubiquity of nature. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this mediatory transformation? I'll give an example which he himself used to say in the previous days. There is a male dog and there is a female dog. The male dog is chasing the female dog to have a physical contact with the female dog. The male dog chases it because there is a squeezing desire, there is a squeezing feeling in the male dog. It is urging it. It is urging it to chase the female dog to have a physical contact with it. So why I am saying this means the desire is not either in the male dog or the female dog. It is in between the male dog and the female dog. It is in between these two animals. It is somewhere else. It is invisible. That squeezing desire is making the male dog to chase the female dog. Another example, for example, we see some object or we see some place, we feel that it is very attractive, very beautiful. And where does the beauty lie? Does the beauty lie in the place where we are looking at? Or is that feeling there within us? Where is it? Where is that feeling? So according to DDRRS theory, that feeling which we get is not there either in you or either in the place or the object which you feel that it is beautiful. But that feeling is there in between that object and yourself. It is in between both. This is called as the mediatory transformation. The deep thinker Dasappa used to say, in his research of more than 40 years, the important aspect which he discovered was this mediatory transformation. Friends, at the end of the DDRRS theory, the final conclusion is man cannot do anything. Man cannot do anything. He is just a toy. He is a toy in the hands of something else. There is an energy. There is an energy which is passing through him. He is just a doll. As the energy is urging him to do various things, he is doing. So that's why he is just a toy. This is the important finding of the DDRRS theory. That's why the deep thinker Dasappa says, man cannot do anything. He is operated by the soul. Soul cannot do anything. It is operated by the whole. WHOLE, whole. Whole cannot do anything. It is operated by the Almighty. Almighty cannot do anything. It is operated by the Almighty. So this is what the deep thinker Dasappa says about the whole creation. I will explain about these three important terms which you may have a confusion about, that is Almighty, Almight, and the whole, that is WHOLE, whole. So I'll explain about these three terms with the help of a diagram in the upcoming video. Thank you.